Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss two questions on circle. Again, these questions are from your past year's paper. Uh, so just pause this video, try to solve these questions if you have not done this earlier. So this is the question, the first question where you have to find x, y, z, w. I'll just zoom in so you can see this is the first question, and this is this is the second question. Here you have to find x, y, z. Okay. So just pause this video and start solving this question, then you have to solve this one. Okay, now let's start discussing this question. Okay, so in the first question you have to find x, y, z. Basically you have to find x, y, and w. All these variables you have to find. And the question is mentioned that a, b, c, d, e, f lie on a circle. AB is extended to f, and angle aed is 140 degree, angle cbf this is equal to 95 degree, and you have to find x, y, x, y. Okay, so let's focus on the angles. So first thing you see, this is see there are so many points which are lying on a circle. That means we can relate this question to some cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Now in this, it is, can I say, if you take A, B, C, and D, this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Let's first focus on this. Okay. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral, and this is its exterior angle. Now, if this is exterior angle of this, that is 95. So obviously this angle will also be equal to 95. So that is how you can directly get the value of x. If you don't remember this property, see, this is logically also you can understand. Let's say you have a cyclic quadrilateral, something like this. Okay. And they have mentioned that this angle is 95. So you can see here, this angle is, let's say, x, and this angle is, let's say, y. Okay, I'm just explaining you why this x and 95. Let's say this is our x and this is our y. So I'm just explaining why this angle and this angle will be equal, because this is a cyclic quadrilateral. X plus y is equal to 180 degree, and similarly these are angle on the same line. So this is y plus 95 is also 180 degree. So from this you can clearly see that if I equate them, x will be equal to 90. This is simple understanding why this angle is 895. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 95. Very easy. 95 degree, correct? So basically x is 95 because they have already mentioned x degrees. Okay. So this is the first one. X is equal to 95. Now the second. Now the second one. Now the second one, how will I find W and this? So in this again you see, I can again observe another cyclic quadrilateral. See, this you can see, this is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the vertices of this are lying on a circle. So you see A, B, D, E. I'm talking about A, B, D, E. This is also a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, if this is a cyclic quadrilateral, you can see what this angle and this angle. The sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. The property of cyclic quadrilateral. The opposite angles sum is equal to 180. So you can see what is W. W will be equal to 180 minus 140, which is equal to 40 degree. So this is W is equal to 40. So we got this also. This is 40 degree, right? Now we are left with this angle. We are left with this angle. Now how will you get y? Now this is the most, I'll not say trickiest part, but this is what you have to visualize in this. So you see here, if you have to find this y, you can see this will be equal to y also. This is also y degree. Now why this is y degree? So you can see this is the chord DC, you can say, and these are the angles. You can see this is one angle. So I'm using a property which is angles in same segment are equal. So you see here, this is angle subtended by the arc CD or chord CD, and this is also the same angle, the angle subtended by the chord CD. So angle subtended by any chord in same segment are equal. That is why this angle is equal to this angle. So it's like this. It's like this. I'll show you here. This is CD, and this is one angle subtended, and this is another angle subtended, that is this angle will be equal to this angle. I hope this is clear. This is y degree. Now you see, this is a straight line. You see, this is a straight line. So the sum of all these angles should be equal to 180 degree. So can I say this is y? What is y? Y will be equal to, you see, this is y equal to 180 degree minus, this is already 40 plus 95, which is 135, 135 degree. So what is y? You see, this is equal to 745 degree. So what is this angle? This is equal to 40. So this is how you can easily solve this question, right? So I hope this is clear. We use cyclic quadrilateral and then we use angle in same segment are equal. The properties of circle. Okay. Right. So now the next question. I hope this is clear. Now let's talk about the next one. Now in this question, they have mentioned that ABCD are the points on the circle. BCE is a straight line. This is given as a straight line. Angle AOC, angle DCE, angle AOC and DCE. DCE. This is 60 degree. Then find the value of, you can see, WXY. Now again, let's observe the angles here. So you see here, this is angle 108 degree, which is angle subtended at the center by the arc AC. You see, this is an arc AC. Now angle subtended by an arc at center. And this is the same arc is subtending angle, this W, at circumference, right? So we know the property that if you have a circle and let's say this is an arc which is subtending angle at center and circumference. If this angle is x, this will become 2x. That is the property of a circle. Angle at center is double of angle at the circumference. Okay. So this is x, this is 2x. So basically, if this is 108, this will be half of it because this is double, right? So what is this angle? This is 54. So what is W? This is equal to 54. So this is first part. Now the second, you see, this is the cyclic quadrilateral. You see A, B, C, D. This is, you can see A, B, C, D. This quadrilateral. You see, this is, I am drawing quadrilateral, which is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the vertices are on the circumference. Now, if this is for 54 degree, this angle is x, then sum of these two should be equal to 180. So what is x? X will be equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. X degree is equal to this. So what is x value? This is equal to 180 minus 54, which is, you can see 10 minus 4 6. This is 7 minus 5 to 126. So this is 126 degrees. The angle, this is equal to 126. That is x is equal to 126. Okay. Now let's talk about the next, that is y. Now how will you get y? So you see here, this is y and this is 60 degree. You see, this is exterior angle. So what is this angle y? Y will be equal to, y will be equal to 60 only. We just, in the last question only, we just said this is 60. So this is also 60 because this plus this angle is 180 degree and this plus this is also 180 degree. That means this and this are equal. So what is the answer? Y equal to 60. So I hope this is clear. So these type of questions appear in your exams, in the exams, based on properties of circle. So that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.